Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Afterpay in Walmart. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. Now Afterpay to use in Walmart is you have to create a digital gift card for you to use it. You cannot directly just go ahead and use. So for that you need to have Afterpay in your mobile phone. Simply go ahead, download the app. You can get the app from the website by scanning this QR as well, or go to your Apple Store or Play Store and get the app for yourself. Now, as soon as you get the Afterpay, you have to simply go ahead and install the app and then simply go ahead and get logged in. Now you're going to go ahead go to the stores section, and then you're going to search the Walmart or select the Walmart store and tap on start shopping. And then you can simply go ahead and go to the checkout section from the Afterpay app, and then you're gonna go ahead and use Afterpay as the payment method and choose to pay for it. Now you cannot do it from Walmart app. For that you need to go to your Afterpay, download the app again, sign in and go to store section, go to Walmart store, create yourself a gift card using Afterpay, and then when you go to Walmart's website you can use the payment section and choose the gift card section, add in the gift card number that you created yourself from Afterpay, and then the fund will be reduced from there. That's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.